everyone, we're doing a video today on a Hyundai Accent, how we're going to remove the battery first off. So here we go. One second here.
The battery, and now we're trying to get this off, and we're having a problem with the screw in the back, but I think we'll get it.
So we removed the battery, if you guys can see, and it was really hard to get the little metal part because it was pretty rusted, pretty bad. So we put some liquid wrench on, and now we're starting to work on removing the cabin air filter box. So what we did was we removed all the clips around the sides, and then we started working downwards, and there's nuts all along, if you can see right where my finger is, right there.
Here they got two.
There's one
in the back.
In the back, if you can see it.
I don't think I can
see it. And then there's also another one at the very back, but before we seen that, we had to remove I don't know if you guys can see this. There's a little clips.
We're having a problem with that.
You can see. Well, anyway, you just pull it up, this piece right here, and it comes right off. If you can see it from that slot. But we're having a real difficult time
with one screw in the back.
With the one screw in the back. We keep trying liquid wrench, but no luck so far. So we'll be back to you shortly with more information.